Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a new space within Clickup. So this is fairly simple and should be fairly quick. I do want to cover what though a space is. This is going to depend on your company or you as a person or how you are organizing things and how you want to organize them. But personally, I use spaces as spaces in general are the biggest bucket that you can have other than your whole Clickup account to put stuff in. So I use Clickup for a variety of different things. I use it for furthering my career. So I've got different courses I want to take, different books I want to read, certifications I want to get, and then I line out how to do that, how to read it, how to get information from it. And then we also have video creation. So I've got a couple different video or YouTube channels that I create tutorials for. So I have that there. And then in household, this is kind of like chores, projects for our home, vacations. So again, this is just going to depend on what you want to organize your Clickup as. For my new space, I am going to have this be for real estate investing. So let's say I wanted to have this kind of be for potential properties to go list or to go view and invest in. That's something that we could do. We could choose it from a template. So you could do for SEO, event planning, project management. There's a bunch of different templates that you could use. I'm going to go back and I'm just going to create this from scratch and have this be investing. I'm going to click next and I am going to change or look at some colors. Let's go ahead and change this to like a reddy orange. And I'll enter the key as the avatar. We can share this with members or we can keep it private. So I'm just going to keep it by myself while I work on it, and then I can go ahead and share it later after I build it out how I want it to be. So now we can have task statuses. Again, we can change this as well later, but we could have different active statuses, done statuses, closed statuses. Currently, it's just going to be like a to-do and then complete. We can also change this from template. So if we wanted this to be for more of a content space or Kanban marketing, we could do that or add new templates. And then we can enable some ClickUp tasks. We can show more. So I'm going to add priorities, tags, multiple assignees, time tracking, milestones. And some of these may be paid as well. But ClickUp is fairly affordable from what I remember. I'm going to click next. And then we're going to change some default settings for views. And we can also add some templates here. Feel free to go in and do some templates. I'm just going to review my space. So currently it's just myself. Got the avatar. Task statuses are going to be to do and complete. This way I can go in and kind of see what I'm doing per each folder and list that I have and create different Kanban boards. That's kind of personally how I like to set it up, the space with the bare bones, and then go in and add things as I need them. But I'm going to create space. And there we go. We have the investing and it just has a super basic list. And as you can see, I've got the little locked icon. And so that means that is private space to myself. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe.